Like, I wouldn't be excited to wear this, but I would wear this, like, to Costco. Hi freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin. Today, Jaime's look is pretty tame by Jaime's standards, but I kept it in because I think the color combination is one that I wouldn't normally choose, and I think it'll be fun to play around with. So let's get into it. Well, here it is. It is very aesthetically pleasing in a way. I do like the colors together, but maybe not like this. It's just a lot of color blocking that it's like fun if you blur your eyes, but for an actual outfit, I don't think I would wear this. Sometimes you can do like dressy and sporty together, but for this outfit, I don't think this sheer wrap top and this sporty jacket can really coexist. So I'm gonna have to pick one of those. But other than that, I don't really know where to start because I could take it in a more sporty direction or in a more dressy direction. So I'll have to just go play around with it. Well, I realize this is kind of cheating because this is a much less saturated blue, but I don't really have anything in that exact shade of whatever you would even call that color. It's like dark periwinkle or something. So in the interest of making it more wearable, I just went with navy for now. But now it's like striped. Green, red, green, red, green. So yeah, I don't know about that. Alright, I'm back to the original look. I think realistically though, I'm not going to keep these shoes. And I definitely wouldn't wear these shoes with these knit socks that like barely fit in them. So we can get rid of these for now. I was thinking maybe just a pair of denim jeans could tone it down, but somehow I don't own a decent pair of jeans right now. So then I thought maybe gray to go kind of with the hat. Let's try it. Oh, well, now all the colors are just up here, so that's kind of odd. I still need to do something about this green top anyway, though, if I keep the jacket. I think I have a red sweater that might work. Oh no, this is worse somehow. What have I done? Well, I found this shirt because I thought maybe having a little bit of pattern would help break up the color blockiness of it all. I mean, it is better, but I feel like if we add the red back, I'm not going to like it anymore. I don't know. I think the colors just look good together in theory, but like I cannot wrangle them into an outfit that looks good. Oh, is Jaime gonna win this one? I need to decide if I'm gonna give up or not. Well, the navy's definitely better, but then the red sweater on here, I feel like just ruins it again. Like maybe if I had some green sneakers instead of the earrings or something, that would bring some more space between the colors. But as it is, maybe I just don't have the right pieces in the right colors to make this work. Yeah, I think I just don't have the right pieces because I think for this outfit to work, you would want the base pieces to be in blue and gray since those are the most neutral, and then you would want just like pops of green and red farther away from each other. And I have a lot of blue shoes. That doesn't help us. So I think we have to give it to Jaime. Jaime was just unapologetically color blocking, so that's kind of better, I think. I don't know. Who do you think wins? Regular me or Jaime? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Wait a minute, did we really not try the red pants with the sweater yet? I lost track of which combinations we tried. I know I didn't like it with the jacket, but no, I think it's okay with the sweater. Like, I wouldn't be excited to wear this, but I would wear this, like to Costco or something. Did I do it? Maybe it doesn't count because I already stopped rolling. Sometimes I just keep playing after we're done because it's fun. Well, anyway, next week another red, white, and blue look awaits us, so do your patriotic duty and show up for that one.